Christmas crafting for me is never about rushing. It's about slowing down, enjoying the process, and letting each tiny detail come together naturally. For this miniature candle decor, I began with the leaves. I took small pieces of green clay and gently shaped them one by one. Each leaf was pressed, textured, and placed slowly, letting them overlap in different directions. I didn't try to make them perfect because real leaves aren't perfect either. This first layer sets the entire mood of the piece, creating that full cozy wreath-like look. Once the greenery felt complete, I started adding small festive details. Tiny red berries were rolled carefully between my fingers and placed in clusters. These little pops of red instantly bring warmth and contrast to the green. To enhance the Christmas feel even more, I added a few golden leaf accents, keeping them minimal so they gently cast the light without overpowering the design. After the details were set, it was time for the candles, the heart of this decor. I shaped 3 small red candles and placed them carefully in the center of the arrangement. Using simple tools, I created melted wax effects, letting the clay drip naturally down the sides. This step always feels special because it makes the candles look softly glowing even without a flame. I finished each candle by adding a thin wick on top. At this stage, I paused to adjust everything. I pressed the leaves slightly, repositioned a few berries, and smoothed out the edges. This quiet moment of refining is my favorite part, where the piece truly comes together. Only after completing all the elements did I move to the base. I shaped a simple clay base and carefully attached the entire design on top. This final step brings structure and balance, turning all the tiny details into one finished miniature decor piece. And just like that, this tiny Christmas candle decoration was complete, small enough to fit in my palm, yet filled with warmth, patience, and holiday charm. This piece is a reminder that Christmas magic doesn't have to be big or loud. Sometimes it's found in the smallest handmade details. If you enjoyed watching this cozy clay DIY, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more miniature and festive creations. Thank you for crafting along with me. I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays!